विश्व भर में फैली नोवल कोरोना वायरस की बीमारी को मात देने में सरकार की मदद करें। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि भारत सरकार द्वारा लागू किए गए लॉकडाउन को गंभीरता से फॉलो करें। इसके अधीन आए सभी आदेशों का पालन करें। हम एकजुट होकर ही इस बीमारी को हरा सकते हैं। घर में रहें, स्वस्थ रहें।
Herbal treatment for stage 4 chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is a slow and progressive loss of kidney function over a period of several years. Eventually, a person will develop permanent kidney failure. As kidney failure advances and the organ's function is severely impaired, dangerous levels of waste and fluid can rapidly build up in the body. It is important that people who are at high risk of developing kidney disease have their kidney functions regularly checked. Early detection can significantly help prevent serious kidney damage. Changes in the GFR rate can assess how advanced the kidney disease is. If your glomerular filtration rate is lower than 15 milliliter per minute, then it is known as to be end stage CKD, that is chronic kidney disease. After which doctor recommends you transplant or dialysis. And if you are diagnosed with stage 4 chronic kidney disease, then you should consult our doctor Puneet Dhawan as soon as possible. Karma Ayurveda is the one-stop destination for all the CKD patients who are looking 100% natural and Ayurvedic treatment without dialysis. We have treated thousands of CKD patients who had diabetes and high BP too. Also, if the patient has started undergoing dialysis only recently, then the chances of recovery are reasonably good. Ayurveda explains many herbal treatments for kidney failure. Although there is no satisfactory treatment in allopathic science other than dialysis and kidney transplant, Ayurveda has a lot of herbs for kidney failure which work quite well. Now, what to expect from the herbal treatment? It lowers your creatinine level, your urea level. You find improvement in GFR, that is glomerular filtration rate. There is improvement in your appetite and overall feeling of healthiness. We have had patients in the early stages of kidney disease noticing results within 4 weeks. However, the chronic end-stage patients may have to wait 6 to 8 weeks to notice any significant results. It varies from patient to patient. Some patients need to take the medicine for several months, while others will take the medicine for years. Once the kidney starts to recover and is confirmed via reports, the potency and quantity of the medicine is reduced and eventually stopped. We encourage our patients to keep having their regular blood tests to keep a close eye on the kidneys. Ayurvedic treatment is considered the oldest medical system in the world, and it has been used by many Indian families in the past 5,000 years. It was started by Dhawan family in 1937 and is currently working under the guidance of its 5th generation doctor Puneet Dhawan. He is an eminent Ayurveda physician who has treated all types of kidney problems with complete natural techniques. The entire treatment process is herbal and has no side effects.